Manje sengigile sengije. Yayazi le ngoma? Asiculeni. Mina ngisathi ehe. Manje Salmanan. Ninjani?
Hello. Yes. How is it?
Hello.
Hello. Ano sa yung doon ba?
Good.
I'm teaching in a high school whereby we have a lot of older children. They tend to even bring their challenges from home and then they will end up fighting at school. So I believe that the program that we had today has taught them a lot that bullying is not good, even if you do it at home or even if you do it at school, but bullying is not a good thing. So I think they have gained a lot today. Thank you.
Sinomfundi okhubazekile kodwa ukufika kwemvelo ngibona sengathi kuzolekelela kakhulu ekuthenini ngoba sebefundile abanye abafundi ngokuthi enafanele bayiphathe kanjani bangabaphathi kanjani abanye abantwana so njengomntwana njengalona nje kungenzeka ukuthi ena uke wabhekana nokubhulishwa sebezokwazi manje ukuthi akufanele bayenze leyo nto kufanele ukuthi noma ngabe iyenzeka futhi yini kufanele bayenze so ukufika kwemvelo ngibona ukuthi kuzolekelela kakhulu kubafundi bami enginabo kulesi sikole.
Ukufika kwama actors avelele kuyabakhuthaza abantwana. Number 2 ukugcizelelwa kweinhlobo zebullying nathi esisifundisayo sezofundiswa abanye abantu in a form of play kukwenze lokho kwaba mnandi ngiyakholwa ukuthi this is a picture abantwana banayo engeke iphele empilweni zabo.
Awusenza into empilweni wenza into oyaziyo ukuba xa yenza luhleli naye awuzubana ngxaki naye okanye awuzubana nkinga.
I think it's going to open a lot of doors for them because for the interest that they shown to come and watch the show, it shows that they will have a lot of impact from them which will assist them going forward.
Seeing Imvelo doing what they have been doing here will make the learners take good decisions about their lives.
Abantu abanthuca ikhafini zenu abanthuca imali bangababazali benikele ukuthi imkhere umuntu ozofika kubambe ngamawashing yabo axavune kanje bokwazi ukuthi masubehave kanjalo wena usuyibhuli.
We are not familiar with visitors from Durban like that, so taking your time and coming to the school have been a pleasure to us. We are very grateful.
I would appeal that this be a continuous thing because umuntu vele udalelwe ukukhohlwa and we need such programs to remind learners because umuntu ma ekhona empilweni uyakhohlwa ukukhunjuzwa nje into okufanele yenzeke empilweni yakhe nanokuthi unyaka nonyaka siba nabafundi abasha so nabo bayayidinga iprogram efana nale.
We thank Imvelo, we thank all the actors who were here for spending their time with us, for leaving everything that they could have done, but they chose to come here and do the awareness. We thank them very much.